Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the Aveda Botanical Repair collection. So my hair is about 5 days old here, super dry, so I'm hoping that these products work really well in my hair. So we're going to be starting off with the shampoo. This is the Botanical Repair Strengthening Shampoo. So since this video, I've actually tried it about 3-4 times already, and I absolutely love this shampoo. The way it cleanses my hair without stripping it, and the way it leaves my curls feeling super moisturized upon rinsing, this shampoo is bomb. I mean, I'm expecting it to be, being that it is $35, but overall, it's an amazing product. This product claims to help cleanse and help strengthen and repair damaged hair. It helps build bonds to improve the hair strength, and it's for all hair types. This product is also free of silicones, sulfates, parabens, mineral oils, and synthetic fragrance. If you are someone who's very sensitive to scents, this is a very light, nice herbally scented shampoo, and I think you'd really enjoy it. Next up, we're following up with the conditioner. This is the Botanical Repair Strengthening Conditioner, which retails for $37. This product claims to condition and instantly detangle to help prevent breakage. It helps strengthen and repair with the power of plants. Just like the shampoo, I did also use the conditioner about 3 to 4 times, and it did detangle my hair nicely, but I do feel like I did have to use a little bit too much just because my hair is fairly dense and my hair was literally drinking up every ounce of this product. But it did help detangle my hair. I just didn't like the amount that I had to use in order to get bomb soft results. But as you do work the product in, as you detangle your hair, the product does work its way better into your hair and it feels a lot softer. So next up, we're going to be using the Botanical Repair Intensive Strengthening Mask. This mask claims to intensely repair and strengthen hair instantly. Hair is visibly healthier, softer, and shinier upon one use. And this product retails for $59. And I know you're probably thinking, oh my gosh, $59. Of course, when you receive these products, you don't really know how much they cost until you go online to look it up. Overall, this product works really nicely in my hair. It had similar vibes to the conditioner where once you apply it, at first you're kind of just like, okay, what's going on? Then you brush it through and it works really nicely in my hair. My curls were literally drinking it up. Of course, my hair was detangled, so I didn't really have to use as much product, but overall it gave me pretty good results upon having it in my hair. I did not actually sit under the hooded dryer for this video, so check out the rest of the video to see what I thought about the mask. Okay guys, so I just rinsed out the deep conditioner and this is what my curls are looking like. I do see a lot of definition. My hair does feel soft, but not as soft as I would like it to. It does feel soft, but I do feel like it's very frizzy. You probably can't really tell because my hair is soaking wet. But it feels very frizzy and it's a little hard in certain areas. I don't know if it's just because I didn't sit under the hooded dryer. I don't know. We are going to style by using the Botanical Repair Strengthening Leave-In Treatment. So I have tried this before and I really liked it, but I haven't actually styled with it. I just used it as a leave-in when I did my roller set. I'm going to take about this much for this section. My hair is literally soaking wet. Again, my towel is literally right over there and I'm soaking my shirt. Leave it to me. So it does feel soft on the hair. So it's compensating for the softness I don't feel like I had with the mask. You guys can see my hair literally drank that entirely. So now add the same amount to the next side. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Flexi brush by Curl Keeper and just brush that in. Yeah, once you brush it in, it definitely makes it a lot smoother, which we love to see. Look at my curls. Yep, we love it here. So of course, I'm gonna pair this with one of my favorite gels, the Wetline Extreme Gel. Since I haven't used it in a very long time, I'm like, you know what? We're gonna pick it up again and see. So I do feel like my hair is pretty coated with the leave-in, distributed nicely. So I'm only gonna add more leave-in as needed. I use my gel, like I said, one of my absolute favorite gels. It's been so long since I've been using it. Take about this much per section. I love, love, love this gel. The way it just clumps my curls upon applying, there's nothing like it. And I'm gonna brush through it. And look at how these two products work together. We love to see it. About this much. Okay, so you guys know the drill. I'm gonna repeat the same thing throughout the rest of my hair, and then I'll show you guys my results at the end. But this is what it's looking like so far. The two seem to be working really well together. Clump my curls up real nice. My curls feel very moisturized. So like I said, I'm gonna repeat the same thing throughout the rest of my hair and then show you guys right after. Okay guys, so I fully styled my hair and look at the way these curls look. They are so clumped, so defined, and I'm excited to see how they dry. I don't know, I'm excited. I'm definitely excited. My hair feels very moisturized. The leave-in is very lightweight, it's not heavy. So I felt like it paired really well with the heavy gel, and I felt like they balanced each other out very perfectly. So let's see. You know, typically I know when my wet results look a certain way that my results will be, like my dry results will be fine, but I don't get too excited. I wait till all of it is all set. So we're gonna go ahead and diffuse our hair. Let's give you one more look at these curls. Give you a check shot as well. So yeah guys, I'm gonna go ahead and diffuse my hair and then show you guys the final results. Okay guys, so these are my dry results and my hair is looking so good. I haven't scrunched out the crunch because there is a little crunch going on, and you guys know I don't mind a crunch. I'm gonna leave it alone for the rest of the day, but can we take a moment? Look at these curls. This definition. These curls are super moisturized, super defined. And I'm really, really loving these results. I had a good feeling once they were wet that they were gonna dry really nicely, but this really caught me off guard. I don't know why I thought it was gonna be a little bit more frizz, but all in all, we love these results. We love these random clumps. I'm here for it. So as far as the leave-in, it pairs really well with the Wetline Extreme Gel. I personally obviously would not leave it on its own. It is not thick enough to be a standalone product, and for me, you guys know I typically don't leave creams on their own. So since it is like a very lightweight product, it pairs really well with the gel. I'm gonna try it with other gels and see how it works. It smells amazing. It's a clean product. It is more, again, on the pricier side, just like just about every product in this collection. But if you have thought about trying this product and you are a fan of Aveda and their values, this product paired with that Wetline Extreme Gel, I already know this wash and go is gonna last me 5-6 days, however long I want to let it last. With filming and all of that, I probably don't let it extend itself as long as it could, but I don't know guys, these curls are looking so bomb. If you guys are wondering why one side is longer than the other, I tried 2 different diffusing techniques just to show one side versus the other side, and I'm gonna share it with you guys very, very soon. But yeah, all in all, this definition, it's gonna match up at some point. Once I start fluffing it and everything, it'll match up, so I'm not really too worried. But just one more time for these curls. Let's give them a minute. But yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys liked this wash and go routine. I figured since they went ahead and sent me their products to try, I would share it with you guys for any of you who have been wondering whether or not Aveda products work for curly hair. So I hope that this video helped. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. But that's all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.